Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl VIANA'S Beauty. If you're new to this channel, this is a channel where we talk everything beauty related, from beauty, hairstyle, lifestyle, fashion, and of course fitness. Talking about fitness, today I'm gonna show you one slim drink. Okay, this drink is magical. This drink is the best so far. Channel, we've had a slim tea remedy which I made. If you haven't watched that video, I'm gonna leave a link of that video so you can check it out and see for yourself. A lot of people have testified that this drink has really helped them lose some pounds, so go check on that video. If not, you'll follow me to do this slim drink. This drink is just magical. If you follow me till the end, after I do the drink, I'm gonna come back and tell you other things you can do to make this drink as efficient as possible. Before we get into making the drink, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and hit on that subscription button, and don't forget about the notification bell so you can get notified whenever I post this helpful tips. I bet you these are things that I've tried. This drink is dedicated for my weight loss students, but you, my YouTube subscribers, can as well benefit. Now without much ado, let's move. So on the screen are the ingredients we're gonna need for this drink. And to start up with, we need turmeric. Turmeric is an anti-inflammatory spice that helps reduce inflammation and associated oxidative stress, and thus it's very useful in losing weight. We're gonna need apple cider vinegar, and like said in my last video, apple cider vinegar contains acidic acid that really helps to burn especially abdominal fat. We'll need ginger, and ginger facilitates digestion, which just aids in losing some more pounds. And cumin, I don't know if I'm pronouncing it well, also helps to digest fast. We need half a lemon as well. The lemon helps to furthermore activate the vinegar, because vinegar, if just to be sure, if you want to get this apple cider vinegar, make sure it's the one with the label with the mother. That is how you know the apple cider vinegar you're getting is organic. So you measure up 1 tablespoon or 2 teaspoons into a glass. Please don't take more than this measurement. 1 tablespoon is enough. We want to lose weight, but we want to do it healthily. And you take a pinch of the turmeric. You can see me just measuring it up. It's like 1/4 of a teaspoon, not a tablespoon, please. And you take just a little of the cumin powder, because you're using ginger as well. The cumin powder is just to help fast forward the process of fat burning. Now I'm going forward to my ginger. I always like using fresh ginger juice, but I didn't have, so I'm using the grind ginger. So I'm taking that much to put into the drink. And the black pepper, make sure to take just a pinch. The black pepper just helps activate the turmeric powder, yeah. And you stir that up, and you take 1 tablespoon. If you're using a tablespoon, not teaspoon, take 2 teaspoons of lemon, or 1 tablespoon of the lemon, the same measurement of the apple cider vinegar. But if you're not using lemon, I think you can add up the quantity of the vinegar, but it's not advisable. If you're someone who doesn't like sour taste, you can add up honey to this recipe, but I will not add honey because I just like the sour taste. And you add warm water. The water should not be hot, the water should not be boiled, just the water should be warm. If the water is too hot, it will kill the power of the ingredients. Okay, and when taking these ingredients, please make sure to drink loads of water. Drink enough water so that it can make this drink work best. And you know, we're dealing with RC2, you have to be hydrated at all times, please. Guys, you know, it was so cold I couldn't dress up and make it for you guys. But hope I'm not looking too bad. How is my natural look? I hope I'm not too ugly. Anyway, so this is the drink we have here, and this drink is to be taken first thing in the morning and last thing before you go to bed. And when you take it in the morning, don't eat for about 2 to 3 hours, okay? And taking this alongside with some dieting would really make it work faster. But without withstanding, you can just take it with whatever diet you're doing and a little bit of exercise. You can take this drink for 7 days. I only take it when I feel a little bloated or I have an occasion I want to go and I want to lose a few pounds. So I will take this for 7 days. This drink is actually dedicated to my weight loss students, and this video is for them. But since I love you so much, my subscribers, I decided to share this with you. I bet you this drink is magical. Now I'm going to drink it just to show you that this is not poison. This is actually something that I've taken and it's working for me. And if you try and you see results, please let others know on the comment section, because this is the only way I'll be able to reach lots of people. Oh my god, before I drink this, I don't know, I'm freezing. It's even raining. It's kind of like we're in winter. Okay, so I'm going to drink this. Before you drink it, make sure you stir it, because some of the ingredients have settled down. Make sure you stir it very well and you drink it. Never drink it cold. And I'll still stir some more. It doesn't actually taste that bad, and I didn't use any honey. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. This drink is not, please, this drink is not to be taken by pregnant women, breastfeeding mothers, or anybody who has any kind of medical condition. If you are not feeling fine, if you have gastritis, please don't take this drink. This drink is completely for those who are very healthy like me. If you're sick, please don't take this drink. Don't come and say Vivian made something in our channel, I took it, and no, please don't. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I'll be bringing lots of this weight loss drink because there are things that I've tried and they work for me and they are still working for me. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Join my channel. Even if you don't have any weight to lose, I have a lot of things I talk about in this channel. So click on the notification bell and bye. I'm gonna see you in my next. Share this video with your friends, your loved ones, so that they can get rid of belly fat, can get rid of back fat, and they can have an hourglass figure. Love you so much. Bye. I'm gonna see you in my next.